cooking with me today, and we are having lots of fun.
I'm gonna put a whole red onion in there. It's a baby.
Zia Raffaella said, if you make it with meat, you put onion, carrot, and celery in it.
I'm not even gonna chop it. Can I put one whole garlic clove?
In theory, we shouldn't, but let's. Now we're putting the onion, put the garlic.
Can I put a little salt to start
Not
sweating
now.
it? And if you can't find it, then you can use crushed tomatoes, but you'll probably have to puree them somehow.
Not crushed. Use puree.
Pureed? Right.
Of course, I'll put red pepper in everything, but she wouldn't.
What's that supposed to mean?
Can I use all this parsley?
No.
All right, so we're ready for the tomatoes?
No, we gotta put the vinegar in it first.
There's no vinegar.
What the? Without vinegar?
I don't put vinegar. Why would I add vinegar?
In Rome, there's two schools. You either do it with a glass of vinegar or you do it with a glass of white wine. I guess we do it with the wine. How can you make matriciana without wine?
Do I look?
Red pepper.
That I have.
Oh, and by the way, that was your wine, so I guess
Oh, hell no!
so I guess we finish mine.
No, that's mine.
No.
Oops. I made these earlier. What do you think?
You didn't put any ketchup in there, did you?
No. I'd never do that. Ketchup? Why would I add ketchup in my meatballs?
I don't know. You don't put vinegar in your matriciana.
No, I'm gonna have you do all the chopping.
Thank you, as usual.
All right, now I'm gonna grab you the ingredients you need. Well, at least the ingredients I think you need.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna put the pancetta in there.
You like it cut little dices, big dices?
I like little dices. What do you like?
I like them a little bigger, but I'll make them small.
She always likes the exact opposite of what I like. You're not so into the dip, are you?
No.
All right, now, so you have your own way of making a matriciana.
No. I've got the right way of making matriciana.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
You have your own way of making the matriciana. How do you want the onion cut?
Fine, minced.
Minced?
Yes.
Minced, they're dadini?
Yeah.
No.
Well, why are you asking me?
Because the matriciana, you have to do it like this. Very thin.
Okay.
Okay.
But not minced.
Okay, well, I like it minced.
But it's not matriciana.
Why not?
Because that's not how we do it in Rome.
Okay, and then you can add some garlic. You good with that?
Not necessary, but I'm good.
So do you want to add it or not?
We'll put one whole.
Okay.
I don't think the recipe calls for it, though.
All right, so wait, what's the deal here? We're not going to take the pancetta out?
Well, first of all, if we were going to take it out, it's too early. It's not time.
But I usually wait to add the garlic after.
I never put the garlic, so...
Scamorza.
Scamorza.
I think that's it, no?
Which you also call an ugly lady. Una scamorza.
You call it not. Okay, that was so uncalled for. Okay, how about some parsley, just for color, a little
No, thank you.
freshness? Shot down again. You think it needs a little greenery?
No.
Do you want more cheese?
No.
Will you put a couple meatballs on there?
Meatballs on the matriciana?
Yes. Come on.
Well, then why didn't we make spaghetti with meatballs? Well, see, here's your green color there.
Okay,
Perfect.
Yeah. All right, it's in the meatball. Now, you're not going to eat a meatball? Come on, just try one meatball.
I will, of course. I'm happy to try it your way.
Okay, great.
But it's not Roman. You know how they call these in Rome? Sporca camicia.
Dirty shirt? Wait, did you taste my meatball?
Very good.
Nice and spicy, right? I got a
For
spicy.
me, it's not spicy.
Up next, more shenanigans in the kitchen.